Hello everyone, this is a quick tutorial on how to use the TextEditor plugin. Just to clear any confusion. So you have three options in here, you have three tabs. We have font replacer, text resizer, and text replacer. So let's try font replacer first. So in here, you can replace any fonts, obviously. So first of all, just press refresh font lists, and it will show you all the fonts that are available in the project, okay? So let's say I want to replace the test text, okay? We're going to replace that. So we select the font in here, and then we select the font we want to replace to. Keep in mind that you're not going to find the font you want to replace to if you don't have a text with that font. So for example, I want to replace to the font impact. So to do that, we just have to make a new text. So let's say impact, for example, just type impact, and then we search for the impact. Okay. You can hide it doesn't really matter, and then delete it later, and then press refresh font lists, and you should find it in here. So let's select the font again and just press replace. Now you're going to notice it didn't work. And that's because we have to check include locked layers, because I have every single layer in here locked. So this is just a safety feature if you don't want to replace any locked layers. So you can just, if you want to replace, you can just press check this box. So let's do that. And then we can do replace. And there you go. You can also like replace multiple text with the same font. Like it doesn't matter. It doesn't have to be one text. So for example, this text called "What's up?" We have a lot of them. It's called "Great Vibes." So we can replace to impact if we just select it in here and then press replace and make sure this is checked. And there you go. We have all of these replaced. And finally, you can also replace all the fonts. So let's say we want to replace everything to a specific font. So we just press here and then select the font. So let's say, let's select this one and just press replace. And there you go. Everything is replaced. So I want to actually make everything Arial like that, so it's easier to read. And let's move on to the next tab. So this is text resizer, and this what allows you to do, it's pretty straightforward. Just resize the text. You can obviously do this already in After Effects, like easily, like you just select the text and you just move this. But the reason why I included this is because sometimes you want to replace a text that is like, you don't know where the text is, or you don't want to like go to the specific text. You just want to replace it in here. So you can just do that in here. So one more thing to know is that the plugin also detects what text you're selecting. So let's say I'm selecting this text right here, this electric, okay? So it will auto detect it and select it in here, and you can resize it. But let's say you want to select a text that is inside the comp. So obviously you can't do that. You can't do that. It's not going to select it. So just deselect everything. Just search it up in here. So let's say test like that, and then we can move it like that. You can also change the value in here because there's a limit to 500. You can change it to 1000, and that's it. Also make sure to press this if you don't find your text. So scan project text, and it will find all the text in your project. Now to the last one, text replacer. So let's say we now replace the word test. So we just search for the word test. And we type anything, let's say hi. Let's just type hi, and it will replace it. You can also search for specific keywords. So let's say we want to replace the S, the double S in every single "what's up." So we just type double S, and then let's just say AA like that, and then it will replace all of them. Let's undo this. And yeah, that's pretty much it. You can also change the themes in here if you want. And yeah, that's basically this plugin is completely for free. If you got this plugin for free, it will say free in here. But if you want to change your mind and want to support me, you can just press on this and type your new license, that is the supporter license, and just press the verify license and it will work just fine. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for downloading this plugin and have a great day.